Did you know that you can invest in real estate without owning a piece of property? This is done using the REIT, Real Estate Investment Trust. Think about mutual funds, but instead of investing in stocks and bonds, it is strictly invested in real estate. And with the advent of this digital economy, we now have what we call infrastructure REITs, and a typical example is data center REITs. And of course, we can't talk about AI without talking about data centers. If we are seeing for the first time, this is day 6 of me talking about AI value chain, data center REIT. A data center is a physical facility that houses computer systems, storage infrastructure, networking infrastructure, etc. And of course, it's the powerhouse and the backbone of the current digital economy. There are types of data centers. Popular one is the hyperscalers, which is what AWS, Azure, GCP, etc. use for their own particular use case, and they use it alone for themselves. And there's what we call co-location. Co-location are data centers built by these data center REITs companies with the goal of renting it out to other enterprise users, and of course to hyperscalers when they're out of space or capacity. We have other types like edge location and of course on-premise data centers. But this is not what we're talking about right now. The idea of co-location is what brought about the data center REIT. Think about like a commercial real estate where people rent and pay the rent maybe monthly or yearly, a contract, or more than that. Data center REIT have a very huge advantage in the sense that, of course, there's AI boom right now and there's high demand for data centers. After that, another important one is a lot of cloud providers need to build data centers, but they do not want to get involved in the infrastructure side of it. They want to just get it done and start using. And one of the reasons why I really like this kind of data center REIT investment is the fact that it is a good long-term investment for investors because those contracts are 5 years, 10 years, or 15 years contract. This is solid income or cash flow as the case may be. It's very defensive in a sense that it's a mission critical infrastructure. And of course, there's a high rising demand for AI, Internet of Things, cloud, and of course 5G, which is of course will definitely keep needing data centers as we go on into their future. And it's a typical inflation hedge. One of the things that qualify a company to be a REIT is you must be ready to distribute 90% of your taxable income to shareholders. That means you're sure of getting monthly dividends from data center REIT investment. This is not an investment advice, but I'm telling you what is possible with this. I'm not saying there are no risk in it. There could be disaster. There could be high energy usage, etc. So if you are like me, who thinks of AI as electricity, then data centers are the power grid, and data center REITs are the landlords of the future.